Poison ivy? No. All right, this is Erythrina herbacea. Okay. Erythrina, sort of this particular one here is really at home and comes back each year for us. There are two others that we deal with on there's Erythrina, one that's more tropical, and Erythrina biwilii that's sort of intermediate. That typically will not come back for us here, but this is one that's relatively nice. All right, so this is a typical leaf on Erythrina herbacea. Okay, so trifoliate. All right, this is all one leaf, trifoliate, and then you've got this almost little deltoid, elongated deltoid shape, I suppose. It's sort of almost like a triangular shape until you get to this point at which it becomes an acuminate tip, very much stretched out. All right, a sort of light green color with a very soft rubbery feel to it. The two leaves that subtend the terminal leaflet are smaller and tend to be a little bit less broad than in this particular terminal leaflet. Another interesting thing is where the leaflet actually meets the rachis or the petiole, in whatever case it is. There's a swollen structure there, so it's almost like the petiole becomes swollen and green.
The base of each one?
Yeah, the base of each leaflet. You can pass that around if you want. Okay. Okay, then there's a stipule. Yeah. Yeah. So on the back side, especially where the leaflets meet the petiole or the rachis or whatever it is at that particular point, there's a stipule on all these. Okay, so it's almost like a little claw.
Oh, you're right. That's kind of sharp.
It's got a little bit of a stick to it. So look for that almost sort of glandular structure there at the base of the leaflet that is swollen, and then the actual petioles and rachis are sort of a reddish, pinkish cast to them. Okay, and then once this thing begins to sort of grow up, it'll eventually become a nice little bush for us, maybe 4 or 5 foot tall, and have sort of I don't know, maybe almost sort of pea-like blooms on them, but they're longer, more like elongated pea-like blooms. And it's really sort of difficult to describe, but they're just almost cylindrical, maybe 2 to 3 inches long, and they occur in profusion on this one particular flower stalk. Okay. There's a picture of them in my office if anyone's interested. It's not an actual photo; it's a picture that someone drew.
What color are they?
They're pink.
It's also poisonous.
Yeah, there's the beans are poisonous. The fruit on this particular one is poison for sure. All right. And one reason that you would sort of have an idea that the flowers would be a pinkish reddish color is because of the cast on the petiole. Okay. Questions on Erythrina herbacea? That should be easy enough with the glandular structures at the base of the leaflets and those prickles.
How hardy are they?
Well, this one comes back each year, and I mean survives what 16, 15 degrees, so pretty hardy.
So, but zone 8, zone 7.
Oh, I would say reliably in zone 8. 7's kind of stretching it probably. Okay. All right, we good?
Is this